Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover View menu. Let's begin. There are 7 sections. First section is Presentation Views. Second section is Master Views. Third section is Show. Fourth section is Zoom. Fifth section is Color or Grayscale. Sixth section is Window. And seventh section is Macros. Let's begin with first section. That is, Presentation Views. Views available are Normal View, Outline View, Slide Sorter, Notes Page, and Reading View. Next section is Master Views. Master Views available are Slide Master, Handout Master, and Notes Master. Next section is Show. We can show ruler, grid lines, guides, and notes. Next section is Zoom. Under Zoom, we can zoom to fit 400%, 200%, 100%, 66%, 50%, 33% and custom percent. We can zoom so that slide fills the window using Fit to Window button. Next section is Color or Grayscale. We can view presentation with color, grayscale, or black and white. Next section is Window. We can open second window for presentation, so that we can work in different places at same time using New Window button. We can stack open windows so that we can see all of them at once using Arrange All button. We can see all open presentations overlapped on screen using Cascade button. We can move the splitter which separates the different panes of the window using Move Split button. Under Switch Window, we can see all the open presentations. Next section is Macros. We can view macros. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy eBook on Microsoft PowerPoint interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon, so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.